Like a fleet of Noah's Arks, harbouring some of the rarest species of flora and fauna on the planet, the Seychelles Islands today justifiably form a part of the Western Indian Ocean biodiversity hotspot. Seychelles boasts two UNESCO World Heritage Sites: the extraordinary primeval valley known as the Vallée de Mai, where grows the legendary double-lobed coconut, the coco de mer, and magnificent Aldabra, the world's largest raised coral atoll, with its population of some 150,000 giant land tortoises and many other treasures besides. Covering the 43 granitic islands, the panoply of trees and 1,500 species of flowering plants contain some of the rarest specimens on the planet. These include the amazing jellyfish tree, of which only a handful of specimens exist, the carnivorous pitcher plant, and 75 other species of rare endemic plant life. Much of the Seychelles' extraordinary biodiversity may be discovered on its extensive network of guided walks and trails, as well as in its national parks. Seychelles is an ornithologist's paradise. Several islands are home to birds found only there and nowhere else. On Praslin, the famous Seychelles black parrot can be found flitting among the palms of the Vallée de Mai. La Digue Island is host to another rare endemic bird, the paradise flycatcher. Bird Island is home to the world's largest colony of sooty terns, with nearly 2 million of these seabirds returning every year from May to September to breed. Altogether, the islands are home to 13 species and 17 subspecies of bird life, which occur nowhere else in the world. Several of the archipelago's islands are nature reserves in their own right, showcasing rare bird life and other prized species. Seychelles' eco-attractions are not confined to birds, as its population of those extraordinary reptiles, the giant land tortoise, is the largest in the world. Apart from the indigenous population on Aldabra, there are many other specimens and rare species of tortoise dotted about the islands. Other native reptiles include the freshwater terrapin, the Seychelles tiger chameleon, as well as several species of skink and gecko. The only native mammals in Seychelles are bats. Interesting insects include well-camouflaged stick insects and the endemic tenebrionid beetle found on Frigate Island. Marine life in Seychelles is prolific. Seychelles' several marine national parks offer an ideal introduction to the underwater delights of the inner islands, as there exists a surprising abundance of fish, even on shallow inshore reefs. Due to its extreme isolation, Seychelles has received more than its fair share of nature's bounty. And today, with nearly half its very limited landmass set aside as nature reserves, the ecological integrity of its islands remains intact, providing the visitor with some of the most unique ecological experiences to be found anywhere.
Mamo como se se, mo te damo se se.